Okay, little scientists, today we will learn science through the practical experiment, and the practical that we are going to do today is magical tissue experiment. So what we're gonna do today, we will pour some water into the jug. Okay, now we will sprinkle some color in it to make it colorful. Is it looking attractive?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna stir it. Stir it more.
Stir means mixing. Okay. What is in
No.
teacher's hand? Teacher, what's in your hand?
What's in my hand? Stirrer. What is it? Stirrer.
Stirrer.
What is it?
Stirrer.
Stirrer. Here we have a glass as well and a tissue paper. Now I'm gonna put this tissue paper in this glass. Okay, now I'm gonna put this glass into this jug. What will happen with this? The tissue will get wet or not?
Wet.
So let's see it. So just wait for a while. Let's see the magic. So guess what will happen? The tissue will get wet or not? Will it get outside dry or wet? Wet. So let's see it. Okay. Take out the tissue paper, Samaha. Is it wet or dry?
Clap now.
Dry. It's
It's dry
magic.
now.
It should wet now, but it's dry. Now how this happened? Do you want to know? Everything around us occupies space, same like air occupies space as well. So when we put the glass with tissue in the jug, air occupies the space and prevent the water from reaching the tissue paper. That's why our tissue paper get outside dry.
Now please explain
Okay.
me in Urdu, please. Once in Urdu as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Why is it?
English
Why?
ठीक थी?
It's okay. Why is it just dry? Tell me.
ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एयर जो है वो हमारे अराउंड जो होती है वो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करती है, स्पेस जगह घेरती है. तो जब हमने ग्लास में टिश्यू को पुट करके इसको जग में डाला तो क्या हुआ, वाटर और टिश्यू के दरमियान एयर थी. उस एयर ने वाटर को टिश्यू तक पहुंचने नहीं दिया, जिसकी वजह से हमारा जो टिश्यू था वो बाहर ड्राई ही निकल आया. ठीक है, तो एयर ने स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई की, एयर जगह घेरती है. जग में जब हम डालेंगे तो वाटर और टिश्यू पेपर के दरमियान क्या बैरियर था, कौन सा बैरियर था? एयर का. किसका बैरियर था?
Now, who wants to perform it now?
Ali, do this experiment. Put this glass with tissue in the glass jug.
Forcefully, well done.
Okay. Hold it. Hold it for a while. Okay, place your hand here and hold it for a while.
Okay, see, tissue is dipped in the water. Now take it out. Take it out now.
Take it out the glass. Take out the glass.
Now check it. Okay, now check it.
Now check
Is
it.
dry or wet? Yes, it's dry.
It's dry. Clap. सब लोगों ने स्पेस ली हुई है ना. इसी तरह एयर भी क्या ऑक्यूपाई करती है? स्पेस. तो जब हम ग्लास को टिश्यू के साथ जग में एंटर करवाएंगे, प्लेस करेंगे तो मैं अगला
So there is air occupied in the. Take it out in the glass and see tissue is dried. Take it out and look, tissue is dried. Okay, go. Next. Next. Well done. Okay, well done. Okay, well done. Okay, go. Go, next. Be quick, beta, be quick. Yes. Okay, take it out now. Take it out. Okay.
Ma'am, no, the water and
Next. Next. Next.
should we put another piece of tissue paper? Now take it out.
Now take it out, Samaha. If the tissue is dried. Okay. Now take it out and see tissue is dried. Oh, really? Nice.
It again, Rehma. Place it in the jug. Hold it for a while. Now take it out and let's see the magic.
Wow, it's wet. You didn't perform it good, beta. Perfectly. Let's see if you are a perfect scientist. Okay,
Okay,
take it
let's
out,
see,
Manha.
Manha.
Okay.
It's dry. Magic.
Okay.
Next, Insha, come ahead. Do it. Put the tissue paper in the glass. Magic.
Now take it out.
Hold it
So air was when they invert it, then water get in the glass. That's why tissue is getting colored.
Okay, students, now we have another experiment. Now this experiment is a little bit smashy, squishy experiment. So let's perform it. So what we wanna need for it, half cup of colored water and the corn flour. So we are going to put the corn flour in this bowl. Okay,
We will
let's see.
let you see better. Don't worry.
Okay, let's see what we will make. You think I am making slime?
Yeah.
Okay, let's pour the colored water into it. Ew.
Colored water.
Okay, now mix it well.
Slime. Slime.
Okay, mix it more and more. Would you like to help with me?
Yeah.
Just wait for a while. Let me mix it well.
I think you put colored water much.
No, not much. Okay, here we have made a liquid. So when you press it hard, let's see. It's so hard, it looks like it's a solid. But when you release it, it looks like it is melting like a ice cream. Okay. When you put hard force on it, it looks like it's a see, it's look like a solid. But when we release it, it melts like a ice cream, right?
Wow, it's looking like a solid. Press it.
Press
Alina.
it.
Oh my god! Seriously,
Ew.
it's looking like a solid, and when I leave it, oh, it's liquid. Look, it's a solid, and when I leave it, it's a liquid. Wow, I like it. I
So
like it.
it's a non-Newtonian fluid which is called oblate, which is called its science. When we press it hard, it becomes solid, and when we release it, it gets melt.
Okay, give me tissue.
ये सबसे मजे का था.
Okay, beta. Okay, beta.
It's
Keep
so-
doing this.
Enjoying. Do it. Right, come ahead. Press it
Okay.
hard. Press it. What you are feeling? It's solid.
Yeah.
It looks like solid.
Yeah.
Now release it like this. It is melting like a ice cream. Next,
Next, beta.
freeze
Give them
it.
chance. Give everybody a chance. Okay, please attach it.
Squeeze it.
Squeeze. Yes.
Squeeze it. Press it hard. It's solid.
Yes.
It is feeling you like it is giving you feeling like it is solid. But when you release it, it gets melt like ice cream. Next. Oh my God.
Is it solid or liquid?
Solid.
Now release it.
Now release it like this.
Oh,
Hold it in your hand like this. Do it. Now release it. Oh my God. Next. Sabiha, come ahead. Do it. Squeeze it. You can even make it at your home as well. What is this? Oblak.
Oblate.
Next, Hania. Do it like
tell them
this.
to wash their hands and go to their class.
Is it solid? And now it is liquid. Do like this. Solid and now liquid. Next. Do it fastly. Put your finger like this. It is solid. And now hold it in your hand and release it. Now it's liquid.
Okay.
Next.
Next.
Are you enjoying this?
Punch करें. Punch. Punch करें इसमें जरा.
Punch it, punch like this.
Punch like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, it's really hot. Okay, punch it. Oh wow. See, is it solid or liquid? Solid. Okay, now squeeze it and release it.
Squeeze it like this.
Okay.
Now release it.
This is called oblak. What is this?
Oblate.
Okay,
It's
next.
all about science. When you apply force, it will get changed into the solid, and when you release the force, then it will change into the liquid.
Great. Carry on,
Science is
carry on.
magic.
Next. You love science? Do you love science? Yes. Okay. Next.
Do it.
Punch it.
Punch it.
Wow. Is it is it liquid or solid?
Solid.
Solid, like this.
Squeeze it and release it. Well done. Now release it. Is it solid or liquid?
Oh my God, it is dripping.
Liquid. Next.
Punch it.
Oh.
Now squeeze it.
Yes.
Squeeze it like this. And now release it. Oh my god, it's magic.
Next.
Next, Rais. Do you want to see the magic?
Okay,
Punch it. Squeeze it. And release it. See the magic.
Okay,
Next, Abdulahad. Do it. Punch it.
Oh.
Is it solid? Yeah, squeeze it. And then release. Is it looking like a mango ice cream? Yes, it is melting. Next, Shuja. Punch it. Forcefully. Is it solid
Is it
or
solid or liquid?
liquid?
Solid.
Okay, now
Solid.
squeeze it.
Okay, now squeeze it. Release it. Now it's liquid. It gets changed into the liquid. So it's magic.
Okay, next.
It's magic of science. Punch it, Ali. With the force.
a little bit force.
Okay, wow.
Is it liquid or solid? Okay, now squeeze it. You can play with it.
Squeeze it hardly. Push your force. Okay, now release it like this. Release the force.
Oh, well done. Next. Yes, now. Punch it.
Is it solid? Okay, now squeeze it and release it. That's it. Is it solid or liquid? Solid. Now squeeze it. Apply your force. Show your strength like this. Now it's looking like a solid. Now release the force.
Next.
Now it's
Like it?
liquid. Do you like it?
Okay. Punch it.
Easy, punch it.
Punch it.
Hure, punch it. Is it solid or liquid?
Solid.
Solid. Now you want to see the magic? Squeeze it. Like this. Now release the force. Now it's getting melting. So it's magic.
Next.
Next.
Like it, Hula?
Okay, Smaha, punch it. What do you feel? It's solid or liquid? Solid. Now squeeze it like this. Apply your force. And release the force. Do it like this. Now release the force. Now it's changing into the liquid.
Well done. Next.
Next, Rehma, punch it. Is it solid or liquid?
Solid.
Solid. Now squeeze it. What do you feel? It's solid. Now release the force. What is it now? Solid or liquid? So it's a magic of science. Insha, punch it.
Punch it.
Punch it like this. Forcefully. Show your strength like this. Show your strength like this. Okay, now it's solid or liquid?
Solid.
Solid. Now squeeze it. We are doing the magic. And release it.
ये धोने पड़ेंगे ना पैर हाथ धोने पड़ेंगे
Okay, next.
Next.
Okay, without punch it. Is it solid or liquid? Solid. Now squeeze it and release it. It's a liquid.
When you release the force, it gets changed into the liquid.
Next.
Next, Fizan. Punch it. Oh, it's solid or liquid?
Solid.
Solid. Now squeeze it.
यहाँ क्यों करना चाहिए
You wanna do this?
Let them
जी
Okay.
Next, Hassan. Punch it.
ये गिरा
Squeeze it. And release it. Oh my God! It's magic is happening. Solid into the liquid.
Taking it with them. Okay. Okay.
Punch it.
Punch.
Squeeze. Show your force. Now it's changed into the
Liquid.
liquid. Have you enjoyed the magic? Do it, better do it. Like this. Now release it. Now, firstly, it was solid, but when we release the force, it gets changed into the liquid. Next, Muhammad, come ahead. Oh my God, it's solid or liquid?
solid
Solid, but now it gets changed into the liquid.
it feels like it is ice cream
Yes,
pouring
the
down
ice cream
from
is
my
melting. Yes. Okay,
Mohammed, Okay, do it.
Punch it. Squeeze it. And release it.
Oh, Shriram is at end. Last one is Shriram.
Shriram, do you want to do this experiment?
Yes.
Okay, let's give it a try. Come ahead. Mohammed, you can go now. Punch it. What is it? Solid or liquid?
Solid.
Now squeeze it.
Yes.
Apply your force. Now release it like this. Now release it. It is melting like ice cream.